Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. So, have you heard about Rednote? With all the buzz about TikTok possibly getting banned, everyone's scrambling to find the next big thing, and let me tell you, Rednote might just be it. Now, if you're wondering, what's so special about Rednote? Let me break it down. It's a lot like Instagram, but here's the twist. It combines photos, text posts, and short videos in a way that feels super intuitive. Plus, the vibe is great. It's got all the fun, laughs, and creativity that TikTok users love. So, if you like how it is in TikTok, Rednote is definitely worth checking out. Alright, now let's quickly dive into how to use Rednote and some tips to get started. To create an account, just download it and open the app. On the registration page, you can sign up using your phone number or Apple ID. If the interface is not shown in English, just go to Me and find the settings button. Select the second option, then the first one, and choose English. The interface will switch to English automatically. Easy, right? Now you can dive into all the fun posts, watch trending videos, and connect with people worldwide. Want to create your own post? Just hit the plus button. Just choose the pick a video and edit your text will be okay. You can even preview it or schedule it if needed. Rednote makes it easy and super fun to explore and share. Now, let's talk about all the fun things happening on Rednote right now. Have you heard of the cat tax? It's a cute and quirky trend where you post photos of your pets, especially cats, to bond with the community. It's like an instant icebreaker. Another cool thing is Rednote is now an awesome space to learn languages. You can improve your Mandarin skills just by interacting with posts or even helping Chinese users with their English homework. It's all about cultural exchange, and the people are super friendly. Oh, and yes, we paid our cat tax too. So, if you're on Rednote, come find our account, leave a comment, and let's connect. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you're ready to try Rednote or you've already got some fun stories to share, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.